to go for broke this year. I got to give up everything. Yeah, I got to go for it this year. I got to go for broke this year. I got to give up everything.
My range and ability added with agility and tenacity has to be the illest freestyle internationally. Gradually spitting steady bars and bending through your denim, killing complex metaphors like meteors, hitting, killing billions in the millions. Doing body work, making your body jerk from the complex rap patterns. Mesmerized with lines of doing things you can't make happen. You're prehistoric in your approach to me. I'm like a coach to the misled. Instead of doing what you doing, I gave you a playbook. Come back to me when it's read and memorize and mesmerize. I'm mystified and immortalized. But guys with lyrical action and left them all tied up, cut up from the wounds that I inflicted. Butterfly knifed up and knifed up from the crazy tennis shoe kicking. Wordsmith champion, grand level supernova, massive attack maker. I can slow it down to see how long it takes you. It takes you for this train wreck. Train wreck. Train wreck. Train wreck. Train wreck. No shucking and jiving, I'm rocking and rhyming. I'm cut like a diamond, no luck when you're whining. I stuck around for the sign and line in my pockets, climbing like rockets, designing like space and sprockets. You face me, take me, you got it. You can't break me, you lost it. From start to finish, you start to diminish. My heart is in it, my wicked style is off the chart. You need a park and finish. Shut up, I cut off your mic power on this mic hour. I devour MCs like cakes and eat them with the light flower. I get deep into the driving force like a thunderclap. It's like a train wreck, bullet train going down the track. I'm coming at blazing speed, ripping them up, wrapping them up in no time flat. You hear them horns, it's Cool McKill coming with them raps. I'm ahead of the head honchos, ahead of the headhunters. Intensity level picks up, degrees of difficulty make you blunder. Fake new jack mugs try to get their style on. I weave through these corny dudes like some pylons. No matter what your name is, I came, kid. My freestyle ability will leave you aimless. Don't even try to get down, it's kinda painless. Messing with this style, I'm still like stainless. I feel you an anus. I arrange this. I come off from heaven, y'all thinking Cameo made this. I raise the bar cause the truth is near. I see you in fear, I get in the booth and give you a souvenir. Spectacular arrangement, symphonic melody. You can tell us we flow on a frequency, frequently the rhythm with precision, displaying artistry and wisdom secretly. To societies who eyeing me, I'm beating the competition with compositions, honorable mentions, going to many dimensions with no exceptions or exemptions. That's what's up. Going out to Super Grandmaster Ed. That's my boy.
Here's my
Cool McKill bringing a train wreck, y'all.
I got to go for broke this year. I got to give up everything. This is my year to make a move.